Yeah, yeah, yeah. Colors, 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 colors. Want to do a lot of colors today. I'm gonna go for 4 colors. I have white base today because I want to do about 5 colors. Let's see if I can get it done. Shades. Today's look, colorful. I'm in my element. When I'm playing with all these different shades, I am in my element. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. I aim for 4, but end up with 5. So here is today's look. Today's word is authority. authority. What do you have authority over? You can always have authority in the things that you are able to control. You don't have authority in the things outside of your control. Authority. What does it mean to you? I appreciate you kindly for watching. Please remember to hype, share, and if you love my smile, please consider subscribing for some more colorful, playful makeup. Today's base is pressed powder CoverGirl. It is called the Clean Fresh, and the shade is 200 Rich. And I have a shimmering bronzer. You see how my cheeks are popping? It is the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Baked Luminous Bronzer, and it is the shade 330 Sweet Espresso. This is it. I am loving it. I am loving it. My lip color is by Wet and Wild, and it is called Cherry Picking. I feel powerful when I use colors. When I use colors, it just wakes something up inside of me. I love colors. And I have another little wing. Check it out. I'm loving this. I hope you're having a fantastic, happy, joyful day. I am having one. I'm praying that you have one also. Until you see me and I see you again, let us keep talking in the comments. I love you. Bye. Authority.